I am a charity nerd. You guys might know that already. I love using my artistic skills to help make change in the world. I used to work for an international NGO as an artist, and I started my own charity, my own 501(c)(3). I know what it is to be trying to make some change in the world and then have people like us come alongside you and help you do your work. And when I get an opportunity to do that through my teaching, I get super excited. I got an email from John Bardos over at Bundles for Good. And when I looked into what he was doing and who he was doing it for, I got ridiculously excited. I said, "Oh, sign me up. Can I have 2 classes in there? That'd be great." Anyway, okay, Bundles for Good. What is it? John gathers like-minded artists, like all these art instructors, gathers us all into one collection. And as I said, can offer up 1, 2 classes, whatever. I offered up 2 because I'm an overachiever. And then he sells the bundle to you if you choose to participate for a low price. Now, when I say low price, I seriously mean low price because this is 80 instructors, over 100 classes, and the value is like $5,000 and counting. It's insane. It's an insane deal to get all of that for $109 US. Like, that's like $1 a class, a buck and change. Where can you get that kind of art instruction, right? So, how does this work? How does the charity part work on this? So, John will sell you the $109 collection of classes. You will have to go and log in at each different website to go sign up for those classes. He'll explain all that once you sign up, and then you can go take all those classes. But when he gets that $109, he pays a portion of that to us so that we get to get some compensation for our teaching work. But then all the money that he gives 25% of that to the Uganda Partnership. It's a Canadian charity that does some amazing work in Uganda. And I've looked into this because I am not the person who just randomly gives out to charities I haven't checked out. And the Uganda Partnership, one of the things they do that I just get so excited about is microloans to women, particularly single moms. You give a single mom who wants to feed her kids $25, $50, she'll go buy a chicken and she'll start that chicken will start laying eggs and she'll sell them at the market. She'll use some of them to feed her kids, and then she'll have another chicken out of one of the eggs, and then she'll have a whole chicken farm, and then she'll sell chickens to her neighbor. Or the lady who like gets $100 and she buys a goat with it, she's going to end up selling milk at the market, and she'll have milk for her kids. And then she'll get together with the neighbor who has the other gender goat, and they'll make babies. And then they have a whole goat farm. Or she buys a sewing machine, and all of a sudden she can make a living for herself and her family. I have so much faith in women that microloans are just my thing. If you ever want to just give a gift in my honor, like microloans anywhere, any of these organizations that do them, because microloans are just, they're phenomenal. Anyway, John gives to that and he gives 25%. I'm going to additionally give 25% of what I get as an affiliate commission to that. And you know me, I always round up. So you're going to get lots of your money given to this effort to help women. Now, other thing that you need to know is that the window is very short for signups. Very, very short, I guess, to create urgency, but 5 days long from November 6th to November 10th. That's it. You got to sign up in that window. Now, you don't have to go take all the classes instantly. You'll have a year to go to all the websites and log in and register for those classes. But then as long as the internet's out there, you still get access to those classes. So you don't have to take them all in a year. But I just want to encourage you all to even consider it. There's more information on art-classes.com. If you're watching this on YouTube, there's a link in the doobly-doo down below to my page where I talk about it. I list all the classes so you can see what you get for that money, or you can just hit the button to go over and buy the collection from John. Just do it before the clock strikes midnight and turns over to November 11th, because November 10th, is when the deadline is, and it's New York City time. So, whatever that is in your time zone, don't miss the window. Go sign up and let's do some good for single moms in Uganda. Because wouldn't that be a great legacy for us to leave as artists? For them to know that artists around the world are participating to help them. Thank you. Peace.